Well, hello, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. This week, I kind of wanted to delve into eco-friendly or sustainable organizing solutions for your house. So, there's two ways we can think about this. One, where does the product come from, right? Is it maybe, wood or bamboo or a glass storage, something that kind of stands the test of time. You can reuse it time and time again. And that's definitely a good solution. I will just say that those products tend to be a little bit more expensive. So if you're doing an entire house, you gotta work those things into your budget. Now, the second thing I will say that can be very sustainable, but a little bit cheaper, is to find some type of like acrylic bin that you love. And this could be multi-purpose and used anywhere throughout the house. That way, you're not gonna grow out of said bin, or if it's even a bamboo or wood bin doesn't work for you anymore, you would just have these same bins all throughout your house. For example, you might be able to use this clear acrylic bin in your pantry, in your mudroom for your hat and mittens. You might be able to use it for baseball caps. You might be able to use it in your laundry room for laundry detergents. You might be able to use it under the cleaning cabinet for cleanings and soaps and stuff like that. You might also be able to use it for crayons, kids' toys, things of that nature. Find a bin that's very versatile, probably medium-ish in size, and that's the only bin you order. That's the only bin you order. You keep it really simple, and anytime you're gonna bring things into your house and organize them, you're gonna use this simple bin. And you can label it, which we'd highly recommend, but it makes things so much easier. If you grow, if your family grows, your family shrinks, you got things moving around, it's simple. You just utilize the same bins, change them around, switch the label, and you're now organized. You do not have to go buy new bins for a space every time. There's one on Amazon that I love. It's pretty cheap and it ships in like a pack of 18 to 20. That's a great place to start. And if you are looking for that, shoot me a comment and I can send you the link to the ones that we really love. And it's very simple and cost effective. Now, it's plastic. That being said, some people don't want that in their house, but I actually find that if we can reuse, and use the same type of bin throughout the house, you actually save more money and throw less bins away in the grand scheme. So keep that in mind when you are purchasing bins. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next week.